This is my new Mosaic Crochet Chart Designer, where all you have to do is select the squares for your main design, and when you're ready, you can hit the little button to add the X's. This adds all your X's for you for where all the front loop double crochets are going to go, and it knows to keep the X's out of those squares that need a back loop single crochet. If you want to keep designing but the X's are sort of visually busy, you can hit remove X's, keep designing, and you want to hit one square at a time, and all you have to do is hit the square once to toggle back and forth between the colors. And then when you're ready, hit add X's, remove the X's. If you want to start from scratch, just hit the clear form button, and there you go.